Hello, my dear Photoshop magicians. My name is Fred, and I will be your teacher into this magical journey where we will create this stunning artwork. Look at that! Wow! I know you probably think that must be really difficult, but actually, no, it's pretty easy. We will start by learning the smudge tool. Smudge tool helps us to basically smudge things or drag things. It's a pretty cool effect that you can use everywhere. We will change the colors of our artwork, discover the best ways to use smudge tool in order to create some surreal images. Afterward, we will do things like getting rid of the objects that we don't need, expanding our image, cutting out different objects, and also using shadows in order to add more realism to our artwork. Does this sound awesome? Well, that's because it is. I have 10 years of experience using Photoshop and 4 years of experience teaching Photoshop with students all over the world. This class is very quick paced and we will start creating our project almost immediately. And in just under 1 hour, you can create a stunning artwork, post it to Instagram and tell all your friends, look what I did with these magical fingers. With that said guys, I'll be waiting for you in the first lesson and see you. Bye bye.